What even is a dynamic website? And if you are confused by that term, you are not alone. Let me break it down in simple WordPress terms and show you how we are going to build one in this series step by step. So if you're ready to level up from simple blog pages to smart content that updates itself, hit subscribe and let's go. A static website is made of fixed pages. You create a page, you write the content, and you hit publish and you are done. And you want to update it, you edit the page manually. A dynamic website uses structured content. You add content like posts, team members, products, and the layout updates automatically using templates and content loops. Here are 5 things that make a website dynamic. Number 1, a blog posts loading automatically into a grid author box, pulling real data for every post. Number 3, team page showing staff bios from a backend form. Number 4, product page with fields for size, color, and price. And number 5, checkout fields that change based on user or cart. In this series, we'll build a full no-code dynamic WordPress website using Kadence Theme, Kadence Blocks Pro, ACF Advanced Custom Fields, and Kadence Shop Kit for WooCommerce extras. Step by step, you will learn to create custom post types, add fields like bio, job title, image, display the content automatically on your site, build a home page that updates itself, and even have dynamic WooCommerce features. So, if you are a WordPress beginner and want to finally understand dynamic websites, you are in the right place. In the next video, I will set up the theme and blocks. We will install Kadence and Kadence Blocks Pro, the foundation of your build. So subscribe, hit the bell, and get ready to build smart dynamic websites. No code, let's go!